Hey friends, welcome to and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another gardening series video. Y'all, my little seedlings are thriving. I'm so happy. Sorry for the appearance. It's been a long day and a long week, but I just wanted to show you guys my seeds so far. Mind you, the ones in the greenhouses I just planted Saturday. And you should see the amount of growth they have now. So I'm about to just show you. Let me stop talking. Let me show you. All right, so this is the seedlings. Of course, these are growing strong. I have one true leaf. I need one more to transfer. I need one more of these on this side to transfer. So this is looking good. See, this one's coming in with two true leaves right here. I need two thriving to transfer. This one has two true leaves. These are not true leaves. These are true leaves. So, yes, I just been moving them around. They've been watered since this morning. So, this is cucumber, I think. This one is thriving. This is green onion. I don't know if this one is going to survive, but it's here. The other ones was something, I think. Sweet basil is coming out a little. So we have some growth there. Peppermint is coming out a little. I don't know if you guys could see that. Like how small. Look how small that is. I should have planted more. But it is coming out a little. Nothing for beets yet. But we're going to still leave these alone, like I said. They can be a loss, but I'm not ready to give up on them just yet. But greenhouse, OMG, I just switched it around. Mind you, y'all saw this in a video. I just planted these Saturday. Today is Thursday, by the way. I gotta see which ones is which because I did switch it around. So these are the lettuce ones right here. Cabbage is coming in strong. This one hasn't sprouted yet. Tomatoes, I see a little. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You see, I see a little. You see that right there? I don't want to put my finger right there. Coming in. Cucumber coming in. Now this is within 7 days, so that's why I'm kind of worried about these over here that haven't sprouted, because these almost been 2 weeks. So just FYI, they may be a loss, but I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I wanted to plant more. But okay, those are good. I'm gonna put the cap back on that one. Look at the bean. Look at the bean. Look how big. Like compared to my finger. Look how big. That's crazy, right? Alright, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We have okra coming in. Okra, she's coming in. Nothing for pepper yet. One of the seeds was actually on top of the soil. I do not know how that happened, so I don't know about the peppers, y'all, but we're going to see. Beans are coming in, all three beans are coming in. So you can see. And then this is squash. I don't see any action from, oh, I do. Wait, there is action. So squash is coming in too. But sorry, y'all. I'll flip y'all around. Alright, y'all, I'm excited. And I do have some coming in outside. Let me show you guys, because I got a water outside too. So let me fill up the water jug, and water the ones outside. 1 second. All right, y'all see the sweet basil is coming in. They're coming in. I don't see anything for parsley just yet, but I am about to water these. Oh no. I hope I covered the seedlings kind of, the sprouts kind of, but that should be enough. All right, so no big updates this week. We're going to continue to watch these grow. I'm not going to end the vlog here because we're going to just track the growth this week because I don't plan on planting or sowing anything right now or this week, but we'll see. It depends on how the peppers do because I really want the peppers. We will see. So yeah, so exciting. All right, y'all, I'm in my garage. It is Friday night. It's late, not late. It's like 8 o'clock, but look how tall my green beans are growing. So I'm about to repot them. Problem is, I don't know if I should repot them in this one or this one. So I did buy these today at Dollar Tree. And I bought these like watering trays too. So what do you call planter saucers, whatever. But I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna outgrow this one fast, but then I don't want to put it in something too big. And I'm gonna start with this one and I'm gonna just repot it. Like, we're learning. So I'm gonna actually label these. These have drainage holes. I have three green beans, but I'm gonna only repot 2 today because these 2 are getting too tall. This one is just coming out right here, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. Got our water. We got our seed starter. I bought some soil today, but I'm gonna buy more because we're getting close to actually I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in my night clothes. I'm sorry. But we actually getting close to using our raised bed, like transferring stuff over, but we're not quite there yet. But I'm gonna repot those green beans. Those 2 ones that sprouted so tall, I'm gonna repot them in, oh, they already got holes in them, great. So I have this, I'm not gonna go down any further. I'm actually go back up. I'm gonna repot. I'm about to add some dirt. I wet the soil just a little bit. I'm gonna just put GB on here. This is gonna be the tough part, y'all. This is the part I'm nervous about, is taking it out, the seed tray. So I'm gonna, you guys can see it. I'm gonna use this little tool to uproot it. Whew, that was easier than expected. Okay. Then I'm gonna take some dirt off of it. Look at the roots, y'all. Do y'all see it? Can y'all see the roots? Oh gosh, it's growing so fast. Maybe I should have did the big one. Look at the roots already. Now we're trying not to manipulate the roots so much, but we want this one to last. So I'm going to put her deep in. Oh wait, let me make sure her roots. I think I'm gonna do a big one, y'all, because the roots are long and it's kind of scaring me. So what I'm gonna do is open up this one and then I'm gonna do the big one. Because I did not expect for her roots to be that long. Okay. Let's dump this dirt in there. To add more dirt. I'm gonna wet. Where's this girl? I'm gonna wet this soil. I'm sorry if it's a bad angle, y'all. I can't really see y'all. I'm trying to get this done correctly. So, and I'm gonna add some more dirt. Yo, I did not expect the roots to be that much. Okay. All right, y'all, I ran out of storage, but I am putting my stuff back. About to show you where I have, why is this mic loose like that? Where I have my other stuff. The grow light hasn't turned on yet, which is weird because usually it comes on around 8. What time is it? It's 8:30. Okay. Put this back on top. Green beans are worried. I'm so worried, y'all. I'm so worried. All right. So these, I put the green beans over here. I don't have room. I need another. I'm gonna bring another table in here eventually and get another grow light. But the green beans are in their new pot. Hopefully, I'm gonna have to fix it, but I need them to stand up a little bit straighter. But those roots would scare me. I don't think the roots are supposed to be squished up in a little cell. So yeah, I'm gonna repot these 2 tomorrow because they do have their true leaves now. So I'm gonna put those in maybe like the little small one. I'm not sure about this one. Honestly, I think this is cucumber, but I'm still not sure about which one is which. But we'll see. I'm gonna repot once the true leaf come out of these. I may do some more green onions. These 4, I'm taking as a loss. But like I said, I'm gonna leave them alone for now because I planted these way before these, and look, those are sprouting. These are not. So yeah, I'm about to see if I can straighten up these green beans. I feel like they go straighten up once the lamp comes on, but I'm gonna put it up a little bit higher for them. But I wasn't expecting them green beans to sprout like that. I was not expecting them to sprout so fast. It hasn't even been a week. So yeah, I watched them daily, but it was just a little nerve-wracking that just stand up straight a little. I'm gonna put some more dirt. Let's see, just a little straighter, you know. Just want you to be straight. So I'm gonna go towards the sun. But these are gonna get transplanted tomorrow. I just didn't feel like doing all of that tonight. I wanted to get these out the way since the roots were getting very, very long, and we want them to have space. So yeah. So tell me if I'm doing something wrong, gardeners. I don't know. I still don't know. I'm still just winging it at this point, but we go see. I hope this light turn on soon. I wonder. No, it came on last night. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, a little panic mode. Sherelle trying to save her vegetables. So hopefully this works out for them. Hopefully they thrive in a bigger pot. I just didn't want their roots to be all messed up, you know. But anyway, I'm about to go shower and stuff, so I'll talk to you guys later. Since the sun is gone, I decided to turn on the grow lamp. I'm making another one to put on the side, but I put the other bean plants outside. They're on my front porch. But once this one gets bigger, I'm gonna put that one outside. So, quick fact, I didn't know the green beans prefer to be planted in ground already. They don't like to be transplanted. So hopefully my green beans survive, but they're the ones that grew the fastest. So these are I believe, I don't know, I forgot which one these are, but that's the ones that were originally in here that the seeds got moved once I put water in. So we're gonna see. We don't know. I forgot what this one is. I think this one's cucumber. Yeah, this one's cucumber. Peppermint, sweet basil, some more peppermint, and I think some more cucumber. So far the greenhouses have been good. The okra is going good. I may be transplanting that in the next video. The squash is going to get transplanted soon because the roots are showing. These are where the green beans used to be, so I just took them out. We have a lettuce seedling that I don't think that's gonna make it because he's not strong enough. I actually broke it, so I don't think he's gonna make it, but he's here. And these are the tomatoes. These are cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes. I am waiting for peppers to grow in. Nothing's coming in with peppers, so I'm worried about that. I may have to redo these, but other than that, everything is fine. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.